But there are other businesses that that may represent more risk than others. So let me step back for a second. We don't believe an asset manager represents the type of risk of an insurance company or a bank. It's not our capital. We don't have a balance sheet. We don't have corporate leverage like these other institutions. We're an agent. We respond to clients' needs. So, and one thing where we thought the study was wrong was when they talk about herding. We don't go one way or another. We respond to our clients' needs. Whether a client wants to go into emerging equities or they want to go into large cap equities here or core bond, that's a client's demand, not our wishes. And so I think, but if you dissect what we have out of the $4+ trillion, 2.7 of it is index funds. Now, if you're worried about index funds, then we have bigger problems because, you know, you could look at my operations, making sure that my operations are safe, that we're managing properly. But keep in mind, my clients could take their money out daily and monthly. So if we don't do our job, if we have tracking error in 1 month, they can all take their money out. I mean, it's not like, this is not my money, it's client money. And so actually I have less alpha products, actively managed products than some other competitors. And so if you dissect what we do, and obviously we have only a small component of our products that have leverage, and right. Maybe those products should be more scrutinized, and maybe there should be possibly even capital set aside for those things or whatever. But in the core business of asset management, it is entirely different than how a bank or an insurance company navigates. And the other thing is difference between Blackrock and other firms for a minute. I'm in one business. I'm in an investment manager. I mean, it's, you know, that's what we do. We don't do anything else. We don't do anything to the broad scale of what banks or insurance companies do.